What is up, everybody? So as you can see, it's finally winter here pretty much. We got all this snow and there's no sign of it leaving, so you know what that means? Winter ripping videos. So for those of you who are not new to my channel, you guys know all about the winter off-roading videos already. We tend to go in some snow about probably that high. So it's a pretty deep ass snow we end up getting into. But anyways guys, I just wanted to inform you all in this video that I'm no longer slacking on my YouTube game. My seasonal job is finished, and actually from this moment forward, I plan on only doing my business and YouTube full time. So as you guys know, I have the Adrenaline Off-Road business, lighting products, whatnot. So as of this moment, this is what I'm doing full time. It's really fucking exciting and I'm gonna be giving it all I got. As of lately, I've been doing YouTube videos once every 2 weeks, if I even get that. But as of now, I'm gonna start doing one time every single week and then bump it up from there. 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, etc. And as I promised you guys in recent videos, we're gonna be out in the snow a lot this winter, getting really good footage for you guys, off-roading, just fucking sending it through the snow. So pretty much the rest of this video is basically just gonna be a bunch of highlights from past winter videos of us ripping in the snow, getting stuck, everything you guys have to look forward to in the upcoming videos for this winter. So I'm just gonna compile a little edit for you guys to enjoy. And I also recommend you guys go check out this really cool feature I just added onto my website where you spin a wheel. And then on the wheel there's different kind of prizes that you can win. Some being 25% off, some being 30% off, some being free shipping. I just added that to my website recently and I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys. Anyways guys, enjoy this awesome compilation that I've just thrown together, and drop a comment down below and let me know if you're excited to see us send it through the snow once again. That's fucking deep. Oh yeah, she's fucking sunk. Holy fuck, man! Ah! Look at that, folks. Damn. Oh shit. Backflip. Oh! Faster! Yeah, there's quite a bit of snow here. The car is caked. This whole side of the truck is pretty caked.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Holy shit, buddy! Look at that shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. You get some snow in the cab there? Oh, we got cabbage everywhere.